Pag tumingin ka, akin ka.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
What is up, YouTube?
Wow!
It is your boy back again, Shankin Dipan. At dahil stuck tayo sa traffic, kukwentuhan ko na lang kayo. Hindi maganda yung boses ko ngayon kasi medyo nagkasakit tayo. Hindi ngayon yung typical na napapanood nyo sa akin na gagala ako, nasa beach ako. Hindi, kukwentuhan ko lang kayo. Kasi ito yung event na dapat na sasayaw ako, pero nag-quit ako kasi alam mo, nakakapagod, mga gano'n. Ngayong araw, i-rewind ko yung mga nangyari nung mga nakaraan kung saan na-meet ko si Yael, si Moira, si Ate, si James Reid, yan. So balikan natin mga kapatid, balikan natin. Rewind, let's go! Woo! James Reid, ha? Lassie, mamaya, magkita tayo ha. Mamaya, later, see you. Love you. Love you. Kahit tayo mga brother. Habang sumasayaw kaya sundutin ko yung pet mo. Pati si James Reid. Babato ko yung GoPro ko sa'yo mamaya, bro, ha? Love you. Gusto kita.
A few moments later.
And magkikita kami ni Yasi.
Wow!
Sir, pa-selfie kay Yasi ha.
A few moments later.
Buti na lang! Buti na lang, bro! Fashion shows na. Yahoo! Ano talaga tayo dito? Hindi. Magtutubig lang yung gagawin ko dito. Sikreto lang natin dun. Sikreto yung nakasama natin. Makasama pa natin si Yasi, no? Si Yasi, sana makasama pa natin. Maingay na rinig yung bago! Si Papa James Reid!
I love you, Yasi!
Nagtura. Ay, ang galing naman.
Yasi! Dito na ako! Katok na lang ako, babe!
Yahoo!
Dito na! Lalabas ka ba? Babe! Yeah, sige na! Ting-tong! Babe! Anthony! Labas ka sa yung pinto, oh!
A few moments later.
Dito na si Yasi. Love you. Pag tumingin ka, akin ka.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Iilangan ko, ma'am, yung ano mo.
paano mag-perform si Miss Yasi.
Okay, it's rap back to my pulse flat. We keep it real, no false rap. I got 4 cars and they all black. Got 4 bras and they all that. We call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too, that's real. Too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel. I'm too good for my own good. I won't leak the album, I let it spill.